How's it going, everyone? This is Dave from wetflyswing.com, and today I'm going to show you how to use the fly trap holder. This is a product I've had for a little while now, and just finally getting a chance to bring it around and talk about this, so I'm excited to show you guys what we have here. So I'll break it down a little more detail in a closer view so you can see how to use this thing. But this is pretty handy. This deal basically just attaches to your vest or shirt. It's got little clips. However you want to do it. You can see here's one with a bunch of stuff on it, including some flies. Put that there so you can see, it attaches like this. You can get your nippers, get some leader on here, and then the cool thing is you got the flies, so you can actually just pull that off there. It kind of clips right in, just like that. It's got multiple attachments, things like that. So I'll just break it down here. We'll go to our close-up view and show you what we have going. As you can see, what you get in this little package is, it talks a little bit about how you get different things you can do using it. But you've got a section here where you can attach your leader, or you can add some more flies. And this little fly holder is pretty handy. And I'll show you here how it works in our deal that's already set up. So you can see, just basically, it's kind of a rubbery, kind of a nice thick rubbery. So you just poke them in there, and it situates. Goes in very thoroughly, and that thing is not coming out. You can put them all around here if you want to add more flies. So that's one thing. I'll show you here. You can take these off here, take off the flies if you want. And the way you do this, then you have your leader down here. I put my nippers down the bottom, but you can unclip this right there, take those off. If you want to get your leader off here, all you do is take this little the rope there at the end, and you pull this just like that. You take this off, and you just pop that off just like that. So you can actually either keep the leader, or if you want to actually get more flies, you can get another one of these little deals here, which is another fly holder. Pop this out, and continue using this one. So it's pretty interchangeable. So if you want to ever, especially for steelhead fishing, this is pretty cool, because I know a lot of guys don't like to, use heavy vests. I know I don't when I'm out. I usually just have a little tiny vest that I grab, then I go with it. You can see I just kind of get this situated. You can see this is pretty cool. I don't know if you can see my hand. This is my kids, 4 and 6 almost. They love doing the designs, but so there you go. So now you got a double deal. It's also got a little section here where you can also clip more stuff onto if you wanted to, like this. And then if you want to get the top off, so it hangs like this, but if you want to actually take this off, you just turn this and you push this down like this, and they make it, you got to put some effort into it because they don't want that to pop off. And then you just pull this off. Same thing as kind of the other one. Just pull that off, and then you can, if you need to, if these ever wear out, I guess eventually if you're really, you can see if you're really using these tons, you're eventually probably going to poke holes in them, and you can just grab another one of these guys. And this is a pretty inexpensive little deal. So I'll be using this a lot this season. So I'll check back with you and let you know how it's looking when we get towards the end. So yeah, that's about it. This is from the guys at the Fly Trap. Just go check them out there. And there's actually a link down below in the video. You can go directly to the post and check with them. And maybe we'll even find a little deal for you guys. If you want to buy a bunch of these, I'm sure they can figure out a plan there. But that's about all there is to it. So I wanted to say thanks again for spending a little time today to check out the Fly Trap. There's all sorts of cool little ways you can customize this, and I will definitely check back with all of you and let you know how it goes. And until the next one, thanks again. See ya. Bye.